Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change small letter to capital letter in MS Excel. Type equal, upper, opening bracket, select cell value, closing bracket. Press Enter key. Simply drag the cell. All texts are changed to uppercase. Type equal, lower, opening bracket, select cell value, closing bracket. Simply drag the cell. All texts are changed to lowercase. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.